I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your payment isn't going through on T-Mobile, follow these steps to resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Esurek.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Verify account information. Make sure that your account information, including your billing address and phone number, matches the information on file with your payment provider. Mismatches can lead to declined payments. Step 3. Clear app cache. If you are using the T-Mobile app, clearing the app cache can resolve glitches that prevent payments from processing. Go to your device settings, find the app, and clear its cache. Step 4. Try a different payment method. If the first method fails, try using a different payment option, such as a different credit card or PayPal. This can help bypass any issues with the original payment method. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to T-Mobile customer support for assistance. They can provide insights into any account-specific issues or outages affecting payments. I hope this guide helps you get your payment processed smoothly. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.